It's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my foundation application, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, first things first, I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Prep HD primer that I got from my local beauty supply store. It is super inexpensive, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and this is just going to help my foundation to stay in place and last all day long. So once I've finished putting that all over my face, I'm going to add my foundation, and this is my favorite foundation. It is the Black Opal Stick Foundation, and I have the color Nutmeg, and this foundation is full coverage, like super full coverage, and it's so inexpensive. I paid $10 for mine at my local beauty supply store, and it is amazing. And I'm just taking this white foundation brush that I got from eBay, and I'm using this to blend out my foundation. This brush is amazing when it comes to blending out your foundation. It is perfect because the brush is so dense. So like no product can see through. This is not going to give you any streaks or any lines. Like this gives you a flawless application and flawless finish, especially if you have a cream based or liquid based foundation. So I will definitely leave a link down in the description box so you guys can order a brush for yourself. But yeah, I'm just blending this all out on my face. So now that I'm finished adding my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all know all about this concealer, and I kind of just squirted my eye there with some concealer. But anyways, I'm just using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, and I love this concealer. It is perfect for highlighting, and it's very good for like spot coverage as well. So I'm just adding this underneath my eyes. I'm adding some on my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take my flat foundation brush and I'm going to blend everything out, making sure that I blend everything out properly. I don't want any spots to not be blended out. So I'm just going to take my time and make sure I blend it out. And at first I use patting motions, and then once it's kind of blended in, you'll see me sweeping it a little bit. But I start off with patting it just so it spreads and any excess gets taken up by the brush. So now that I've highlighted my face, I'm going to set it and bake, and I'm going to be using this pressed powder by Ruby Kisses. I got it at my local beauty supply store as well, and I love this pressed powder. It does such an amazing job setting my highlight and also baking my face as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the areas that I applied my highlight. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm using the e.l.f. contour kit, and I'm using the color Turks and Caicos. I really want to go there, by the way. But anywho, I'm just going to contour the hollows of my cheek. I'm using this contour brush that I also got online, and I will link it down below so you guys can get one for yourself. And I'm also going to apply a bit of the contouring powder to my temples and then to the sides of my nose. Next, I'm going to add some mascara to my eyes, and I like to leave some eye steps till after I've applied my foundation because this gives my face a little bit time to bake. So I like to just, you know, do my mascara or something last so that my face gets a little bit of baking time. So what I'm going to do during the baking time is just apply some mascara to my bottom lash line, and I'm just using this Great Lash mascara from my Walmart, or it's from a local drugstore, and it's super inexpensive. So yeah. So now I'm going to take that same brush I used to blend out my foundation, that white brush, and I'm just going to sweep away all of the excess powder from baking and setting my highlight, and just blending in my highlighted areas with my contoured areas. We're just going to blend so that there's no harsh lines. And once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to set my entire face with this pressed powder. This one is also by Ruby Kisses, and this one is in my skin tone. So it just helps to blend everything together and just gives me the perfect, you know, complexion and tone, and just makes everything blend together really nicely. So now to let my face set for a little bit, I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm just using this gold eye pencil that I got from SHOPMISSA.com. I will leave a link for it down in the description bar, but I'm pretty much just highlighting underneath my brow bone, so it just makes my brows pop a little bit more. And next, I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm using this highlighter that I got from my local beauty supply store. Also, it is by Ruby Kisses as well. It's super inexpensive, and I absolutely love it. And I'm just using this highlighting brush that I got from Marshall's. I absolutely love it. And I'm just highlighting my face, giving me a little bit of glow. And I just like to add some highlighter to my cheeks and to the tip of my nose. And now I'm taking this blush, and this blush I got from ShopMissa.com. It was $1, super inexpensive. As you guys can see, all the products that I'm using are so inexpensive. So yeah, I'm just adding a bit of blush to my face to give my cheeks a little bit of color. And then of course I would add some of my favorite lipstick, and voila!
So that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super easy, and it came out really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to leave any questions, comments, or concerns, or any video suggestions down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye!